Okay, this is a video on the right hand rule and what these different techniques actually do. The right hand rule is there's two or three different ways to do it, but they all are essentially doing the same thing. We're looking at three vectors, uh, B, F, and V. V, the velocity of a charge, B, the direction of a magnetic field, and F, the direction of a force on the charge in that magnetic field. Um, and what right hand rule is you essentially have a coordinate plane, a 3D coordinate plane in your pocket, ready to pull out and use at any time. So I have a 3D plane, a 3D coordinate plane right here. Well, I shouldn't call it a plane, it's three dimensional. It's a 3D coordinate axis. So you have a three-dimensional coordinate axis in your pocket ready to go at any time. And it doesn't matter which of these you choose, you just need to choose one and familiarize yourself with it and know how to use it. But they all essentially do the same thing. They just serve as a 3D coordinate axis because these three arrows, these three vectors will always be perpendicular to one another. Right? They will always be perpendicular to one another. So what that means, and this is a nifty little trick here, is if B is on the y-axis and V is on the x-axis, you already know that the force will be on the z-axis. You just need to use right-hand rule to figure out, is it going to be on the negative z-axis? Is it going to be going into the page? Or is it on the positive z-axis? Is it going to be going out of the page? Okay, and the way you get this right is you have to remember, it doesn't matter which right hand rule you use, but let's say you choose this one on the right, you have to remember that B goes with your fingers, V goes with your thumb, and F goes with your palm. You have to keep that part straight. If you're using the one on the left here, you have to remember that force goes with the thumb, V goes with the index finger, and B goes with the middle finger. Okay, that way you always get the right answer for the force. You have to remember which goes with which. But right hand rule is just a 3D coordinate axis that you keep in your pocket, and you can pull it out for a reference at any given time.